Then I'm going to turn off all my audio, so you only hear me coming from the computer. Oh, you don't have computer audio, right? Okay. Okay, great. So where am I here? I'm going to go here. All right, so you should see me live now on the on my live stream. Do you see me? Okay, so that's me live, and we were just talking about our VSR 264, 265, and here's my 265. I've got an SD card right here in the front with all of my function buttons right here for record, for streaming. Um, you are? Hmm. Let's see here. No, you should be that link I sent you. You should. I put it in the chat box. Stop the video. Right. You should click on that link on that chat box that I sent, and that'll send you right to. Yep, there you go. You'll see me waving at you, I think, here in just a few seconds. Oh, let me turn this off here because they'll. So again, here's our VSR 265. We just went through the process of connecting it to your network, connecting it, making some settings, and looking at the Discovery app to be able to show you how and where and what to make your settings on. We learned a couple of things during the week that we've been doing these live presentations of how some different platforms are have different rules and guidelines. And one was that YouTube needed 24 hours to be able to get to confirm your device and get your device registered with YouTube. We look on the back of the VSR. Yeah. No, because then you won't. Can you hear me? Yeah. Go ahead and then I'll call you back. Okay, great. I'm glad we're back on. So again, the VSR 265. Again, some different platforms do have different rules that they follow. The only one that I've encountered that is like a 24-hour rule is YouTube. YouTube does not let you just put this online and start using their service. You have to wait 24 hours for them to confirm your device. We talked about the back on here. Here's a Euroblock connectors, HDMI in and out, unbalanced audio as well, our Ethernet connection, our power supply cord, and a USB connection for recording. I have everything going through my Model 16 mixer. I have a couple of mics set up that are going in, feeding directly into the VSR box. So that's what this guy is too as well. Now I've suggested and used a lot of YouTube more than I do like Facebook Live because on a couple of different webinars that we sat in, if you want to connect to Facebook, you have to have an account, and some people don't have social media accounts or they don't want a social media account or a Facebook account. With YouTube, all you have to do is click on the link and have the app on your phone. You don't necessarily need any login credentials. So that's a brief, summary of our VSR 265 and how it's not really that sophisticated or complicated to get onto your network and start to use. You do need a little bit about a few things, but one thing I've discovered also is that I didn't need to get better internet. I didn't need to get a better router. I didn't have to improve what I already use in my own home, and I have several devices connected to my internet right now, so I didn't have to pay more premium to for it to work. It's just working that way. A lot of our businesses, churches, and other organizations already own mixers and microphones, so unless we're really upgrading a whole lot, they probably have everything they need right now except for the VSR box. That was the only upgrade I had to do. Also, we can talk about our MZ123BT, our CD400U, go through some of the handhelds. So like if you can't make it to the TASCAM booth, the TASCAM booth will make it to you in one form or another. So I'm going to stop this stream right now, and then I'm going to call you back on the phone. Thanks a lot.